Hello everyone, so in this video we're going to be reviewing private media .tv, and as you can see, if you don't know what they are, this is what they provide. So they provide clean design, custom campaign controls, weekly payments, 24/7 customer support, powerful performance, and advanced statistics. So as you can see, we have here on their website, so you can just sign in or sign up to their website. So if you're wondering if this is any good or if it's just a scam, we have it here on glassdoor.com, which is basically just a review site. So as you can see, they're rated 4.1 out of 5 stars with 2,000 reviews. So as you can see, the pros of it is that lovely family, good pay, and 75 reviews. Nice and good to work for, 53 reviews. And the cons of it is that it's long hours, very repetitive, salary is low, and the schedule is not flexible. So as you can see right here, the mixed reviews right here, nice job, good company. Pros, I have flexible, average management, friendly co-workers, teamwork. I have nothing to say about cons. Short period there. Good salary with time payments. Very severe pressure that is exhausting. It's fine. It can be very lucrative. Income is very dependent on luck and territory. And great work environment and friends. Bad compensation. No way to climb the corporate ladder. Unlimited time off. Great salary. No time off. Poor salary. So yeah, that is basically it. There are a lot of good reviews and the pros and cons of it. However, I think the cons outweigh the positives since the pay is not that good, but you do have a job nonetheless. So if you're really desperate for a job, you should try it, but don't expect to make a lot of money from it. And as you can see, they're rated 56, which is kind of mid here on Scam Advisor. So yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.